Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will share how to create the timesheet for regular and overnight shift using the Google Spreadsheet.
Okay, first of all, we open the Google Chrome and then we click this and then we scroll down and find the Google Sheet and then open it. Next, we choose the blank as a new one. Alright, now I have a blank spreadsheet. So, we want to create the timesheet for regular and overnight shift for one person or someone. Let's start. So, we can start by put the date and a name, something like that, and a name, something like that. Okay, then we want to do a time in, time out, and total hours per day and per week. First, we do a column for day, a column for time in, a column for time out, and column for hours. Then we click this column and type Monday at the column day. Monday. To make easier our work, we can click and just drag down to fill the rest. Okay, then we also can make a border for this timesheet. Just click all of this and find the icon of border and choose all border, and we can change the background color of column day, time in, time out, and hours. Just click all of this and find the color at this and choose. Alright, let's say the time in is 9 a.m. on Tuesday, still 9 a.m. Also on Wednesday, 9 a.m. Thursday, 12 p.m. and Friday, 12 p.m. Saturday, 10 a.m. Sorry, 10 a.m. and also Sunday, 10 a.m. And time out on Monday is 5 p.m. Tuesday, till 5 p.m. and also on Wednesday, 5 p.m. Thursday, 6 p.m. and Friday 6 p.m. Saturday 8 p.m. and Sunday 8 p.m. Now I want to change the time in and time out format to another format. Just click all of this and go to format, click number and choose this one. Look, it already changed to another format. Okay, next we want calculate the hours. To calculate the hours, we just subtract time out and time in. Okay, now we want to calculate the hours on Monday. We just click this column equal, click time out minus time in and enter. Then we get the hours, but we don't want the hours in this format. To change the format, we just click this and go to format, click number and choose the number. So I get 0.33. Now we need to convert this number to number of hours. We took this, double click and multiply with 24 because we have 24 hours in a day. Before we multiply with 24, we need to include the bracket, open and close bracket, and then we multiply with 24, shift 8 and 24 and enter. We get 8 hours. Then if I click and drag down, see all of these are automatic, fill the rest. So we no need to fill the rest manually. Okay, let's say I change the time in to 8 a.m. and the time out to 8 p.m. See, the hours automatic change too. But we will have a problem with this formula if we have a overnight shift. Let's say on Monday we have overnight shift. Let's say the time in is 11 p.m. and time out at 7 a.m. So basically we work for 8 hours, but at here the hour is negative. Why the hour is become negative? So let's say we change the format of time in and time out to another format, number, choose number. Okay, what we can see is the number of time out is smaller than time in. So the answer is negative, and then we multiply with 34, the total hour will become negative. Okay, we change this format to a previous format. Okay, so what we need to do to make that work? So the hours will become positive. So what I gonna do? First of all, let's understand what we are about to do to fix this problem. Firstly, just do a basic thing. I do equal time out minus time in and switch this to another format of number. Okay, see, I get a negative 0.67. So what I gonna do? I gonna do the next column equal this plus with 1 to change it from negative to positive. So I get a 0.33. Okay, then just click and multiply by 24. Before multiply, we include the bracket and then we shift 8 and include the 2 and 4 and enter, and we will get the real hour. So what we can say that when the hour is negative, we just go to the basic thing is time out minus time in, and then we plus with 1 to change the number from negative to positive, and then just multiply by 24 to get the real total hour. Another way to handle this by using a mod formula, just equal type M O D and use this one. So if I do mod, so if I do mod, what is basically is going to show us what's remainder of a number if you divide it by a number. So I'm gonna take this comma, and I'm gonna divide it by 1. So that's gonna give us the remainder, which in this case is gonna be exactly that 0.33. Okay, now let's test this when we have time in and time out in the same day. Let's say the time in is 9 a.m. and the time out is 5 p.m. See, there is 0.33, which is correct, and the mod of that is still gonna be 0.33. So basically, we are saying if we decide that by 1 was gonna be the remainder, and by doing this modulus operator, basically we are gonna able to get that number with not a lot of headaches. So what are we going to do to use this in our formula? Instead of doing what did here, we are gonna take date and change it into the new formula. We are gonna do the mod. We are gonna the mod of this time out minus time in, comma, and we want 1 as a second argument that will give us that difference, and close bracket, then multiply with 24 and enter to get our final number of hours. Then we click this and drag down, and we can see that the formula already changed to the new formula. Okay, now we want to calculate the total hours, the total hours in a week. Before that, we choose this column and type total. Alright, then to calculate the hours, we choose this column and go to this icon and choose sum. After that, we just click from first hours, click and drag until the Sunday, and then just enter. Okay, this is the total hour per week. Okay, now let's say we want to calculate the amount that Ahmad earn per day and per week. Let's say 1 hour, 1 hour equal to 40 ringgit. Alright, then we create the new column for amount, and we can color for the column. Alright, then to calculate that amount Ahmad earn in Monday, just click this column, equal, click the hours and multiply shift 8 and 4, because 1 hour equal 4 ringgit. After that, enter. Okay, we know that Ahmad earn 32 ringgit in Monday. So to get the to get to get the other amount, same goes like hour, we just click and drag until Sunday. So so this is the this is the amount that Ahmad earn from Monday until Sunday. So now we want to calculate the total amount that Ahmad earn per week. Same goes like to calculate the total hour, just click this column and go to this function or icon, choose sum, and choose amount from Monday until Sunday. After that, enter. Okay, after that, we know that Ahmad earn 224 ringgit he earn per week. Okay, so if we want the timesheet looking good, we can make a border for column amount and hours and also total. Just click all of this and choose this one and choose all border. It also for total, make a border, right border, and it is also can make a border for this one. Just choose this one and all border. Okay, next we can color the column. Just click fill color and choose the color. Alright, and one more, if we using the Google Spreadsheet, it is automatic save in our Google Drive. I think that's all from me. Thank you for watching my video.